Your home is your sanctuary, your quiet space, your zen garden, until life happens. This is WYPE, a radical new way to clean. WYPE cleans up any mess, wet or dry, with the use of a unique absorbent roller and clever engineering, leaving your floor squeaky clean and free of germs. Best of all, WYPE also cleans itself. An intelligent base station uses clean water to flush out dirt and debris while charging it at the same time. The problem with the mop is, you never really get rid of dirt and germs. It just pushes dirt around, spreading bacteria all over your house. Even when it looks clean, your floor is still covered in germs. WYPE has a separate clean and dirty water tank, so you're always cleaning with fresh water, infused with your favorite floor cleaner. And don't even think about vacuuming up any liquids. Traditional vacuums are no match for WYPE, which absorbs liquids, brushes up solids, and separates them too, so you don't get liquids in the trash either. WYPE brushes and absorbs at the same time, depositing whatever it is you're cleaning inside a spill-proof container. WYPE is low maintenance, and when it's finally time to replace the roller, popping in a new one is extremely easy. Whether you're working from home or enjoying quality time, WYPE is whisper quiet and easily reaches underneath furniture. It's perfect for pet owners and parents, and it's totally toy-proof. Unlike vacuum cleaners, WYPE does not emit any fine exhaust particles, keeping the air you breathe free from allergens. WYPE is cordless and lightweight, making it easy to take anywhere in the house. Ready to clean up even the most impossible mess. It's charging when it's docked, so it's always ready to go. WYPE, next level clean.